Loops are statements that allow other statements to be repeated. We call these statements actions. In general, there are two types of loops that you can have. A counted loop, which repeats the action a specified number of times. For example, do this 5 times. And conditional loops. With a conditional loop, ahead of time you don't know how many times the action is going to be repeated. You just keep going until something happens. In MATLAB, there are two loops that we use. The for loop is used as the counted loop, and the while loop is used as the conditional loop. Today we're going to talk about the for loops. As a result of completing this learning module, you should understand the use of the for loop as the counted loop. You should understand common applications of for loops, which include the subplot function, and also how to loop through the elements of a vector. In addition, you should understand the use of nested loop, which is when you have one loop inside of another. And a common application of a nested loop is to loop through the elements of a matrix.